Saturday 23.
Ezengwa and I were trying to find the restaurant where we were going to have dinner tonight. One of the most fanciest ones in Zurich, just by the airport. And pretty much immediately we sat down, we got served the amuse-bouche to start with. Not really what Ezengwa was expecting. So many fork and knife, totally confused chief. Ezengwa was not convinced. And then the second plate.
Hey. Next round with the chateau wine. It's fish, tuna. Tuna and spaghetti. Cherry, no, cow, azu. Afo. Na cherry, na spaghetti. There's no fufu here.
And the next one.
Chief, what do you have on your plate?
By now it was really funny to find out what we were served.
Got crayfish. Crayfish na blume. And one chinchi bread.
Crayfish.
Crayfish.
Na cream. Nanda, salt and pepper. I'm about easy bone. I want to buy it before. By now, that first plate I'm full already. Yeah?
They have a new wine, Chardonnay.
I might come back anyway. Wow.
No,
you can do it.
Let me see your face.
By now he realized he might just not fool his stomach here.
This all is inside this plate. Once I eat this, plate is empty. Hold on for here.
Stay tuned for the next part.